mean that. And you've been working really hard all week and all morning with all with all the things we have going on here.
I know, we've had the rain moving out. Next comes the wind. It's going to be pretty windy today. We'll get to those numbers. And then it cools down.
Okay.
35-degree temperature drop tonight. And then again Sunday night going into Monday morning.
Oh boy.
Yeah, yeah. And it's springtime to top it all off. Let's go ahead and show you that big temperature drop. 77 for the high today. The cold front comes through early afternoon. Tonight, 42 degrees. That doesn't sound like a big difference, but when you factor in the wind chill, it'll actually feel like 38 degrees. That's about a 35 to 40 degree temperature drop depending on where you're at across North Texas. We do have a WFA weather alert today from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. This time around, it's because of the wind. A wind advisory in place for the afternoon for 20 to 30 mile per hour winds, gusting up to 40 miles per hour. Use extreme caution on the road, especially if you drive a high profile vehicle. Secure any outdoor items. That'll be a good idea for this afternoon. We're looking at cloud cover now across the Metroplex. The rain that we had this morning has pushed off to the east. And what we'll notice is that we still have that risk of some strong to severe storms in East Texas, a slight level 2 risk. And a slight level 2, what that means is that we could see an isolated strong storm or 2 with P to quarter size hail, 50+ mile per hour wind gusts. And really, this is going to be a very isolated threat in the afternoon hours. Look at that. That pushes all up to the east. We stay completely dry as we head into the overnight. But that front that's going to help generate some storms in East Texas is also what's helping bring the high winds here across North Texas. DFW included in this wind advisory again from 1 p.m. to 10 p.m. It includes a big portion of the I-35 corridor and areas to the west for wind gusts up to about 40 miles. And really, this is peaking between 4 and 5 in the afternoon. These high winds, by the way, also being felt today in the Texas Panhandle. And because we have a north wind in place, don't be surprised if tomorrow morning you wake up and there's a bunch of dust on your car. They didn't see enough rain, and likely some of that dust can be transported. So just a heads up. You may be feeling those allergens here the next couple of days as a result of that as well. Right now, DBU, temperature of 69 degrees. Winds are out of the south on the light side, but they are going to pick up here in the next few hours. The high today, 77 in Dallas, 78 in Fort Worth, about 73 in Denton, 75 in McKinney. This happens around 2 in the afternoon, a little earlier than our normal high, and it's because of that front working its way through the area. So look at this, that front pushes through. Look at this cold air that's sinking in thanks to that north wind. Oof, by tomorrow morning, the temperature drops to 42 degrees in Dallas, 41 in Fort Worth. Look at our northwestern counties in the mid 30s with 34 for Wichita Falls, Archer City, 35 in Seymour. Overall, just a chilly morning that we're expecting for Thursday. Thursday throughout the day is going to stay a bit on the cool side. We make it to about 65 degrees. Winds are going to be a lot lighter tomorrow, but a lot of sunshine the remainder of the week. It warms up quick. Back to 78 degrees on Friday, 83 degrees on Saturday, 79 on Sunday. Remember how I told you that those cool downs? Yeah, there's 2 of them in the next 5 days. The next one happens Sunday night into Monday morning. We go from 79 degrees on Sunday to 43 degrees Monday morning. I know a lot of kiddos are on spring break next week. Temperatures to start the week are going to be a bit on the cool side. We make it to 59 for the high on Monday, 68 on Tuesday. It warms up right after that, though. We make it to 73 degrees on Wednesday, back to the 80s by next Friday. That following weekend looking a bit warmer with sunshine, highs in the 80s for that. We'll stay in the 80s for the following week. It's a lot of temperature changes here.
Like a little North Texas roller coaster right there, Mariel. Thank you. Well, he is a